before we filming in a few minutes.
Well, you need to go here and start filming.
I ain't worrying about it. Oh, the camera.
You know the camera.
Hey, people. Let's go ahead and knock this out the park, people. If you just now noticing that, I ain't wearing my hat, finna change the whole look. But if you just now joining in the shout out video, check the rest of them out. Check the rest of my videos out. I'm gonna go ahead and cut it short and sweet, Next video coming out next Sunday about scary movies, my reviews of how I feel about them and all that. The top 10. I'm gonna start from 10 to 5. Then next Sunday, whenever I feel like dropping the other one, gonna be 5 to 1. So check and get ready. They coming out soon. So follow me on Instagram. All this in the description box below. Instagram, Twitter, Facebook fan page, and a personal page if I feel like adding you or whatnot. And I guess that's it right about now. So let's get on with the shout out video. Shout out to, hold on, before we do that, shout out to Jazz, Jab Finley. Happy birthday, you told me you want me to do that for you, so I got one gift for you. That's it right there. But go on to the shout out video.
No, I can't take no hoe to my mama play. I can't take no to my mommy play.
Scream.
My trigger finger just itching. 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 My trigger finger just itch. Trigger finger just itch. My trigger finger just itch. Trigger finger just itch. Yeah. That's 40 on my waistline. I got that 40 on my waistline. So don't play with me, cause I don't play with you. By my respect, I'll come lay with you if that's okay with you. Choppers, AKs, hand grenades. We take that. Kid shit, no payback. But I kill you, and listen close, don't mistake that. But we don't play basketball. Bitch, there's no take back. And all my niggas scrapped up every day. No candy, but every day is payday. And if you ever play, it's gonna be Mayday. Take a nigga bird by my goddamn self. I don't really need no full plea.
Started from the bottom, now we here. Started from the bottom, now my whole team fucking here. Started from the bottom, now we here. Started from the bottom, now the whole team here. Nigga, started from the bottom, now we here. Started from the bottom, now my whole team here. Nigga, started from the bottom, now we here. Started from the bottom, now the whole team fucking here. I done kept it real from the jump. Living at my mama's house, we'd argue every month, nigga. I was trying to get it on my own. Working all night, traffic on the way home. And my uncle calling me like, where you at? I gave you the keys, so you bring it right back, nigga. I just think it's funny how it goes. Now I'm on the road, $500,000 for a show. And we started from the bottom, now we're here. Started from the bottom, now my whole team fucking here. Started from the bottom, now we here. Started from the bottom, now the whole team here. Nigga, started from the bottom, now we here. Started from the bottom, now the whole team fucking here. Started from the bottom, now we here. Started from the bottom, now the whole team here.
You ain't getting bad, bro. Why order? Why order? Why order? Why order? Nat from old Nat with a P hat on her little back. She need to come back, but I'm a true blood. She need to bum back. She wear boy clothes, her crack, she never show that. Cause that's where it's at. She a real Nat, she a true brat. She gon' bring her back, see I'm poppy, I'm in thuggy, I'm a copy. She got cute feet, she got nice teeth, got good hair, her eyes trappy. No, I can handle you, I can slander you, I can bend you, I can camel you, I can mammal you, I can miss you, David Banner you. Air Force Ones, Air Force Twos, we can fly too, we can fly few. It don't matter to me, it don't matter to you. I'm a Seahawk in a flying coupe. I'll Seattle you, I'll paddle you like a biker snake. I'll saddle you like an earthquake. Shake salad you, put wood in you like a paddle boo. Hey, I'll take that shit, thug back, ain't get back. Thug, I'll take that shit, nigga. Thug back, you ain't getting it back. Thug, take that shit, bro. Thug, you ain't getting it back.